Hey guys, this is Jeff with Eternity Shore, and I wanted to give you an update on my health. And I'm doing so from my backyard since it is sunny out today. Today is Tuesday, I think that's March 24th. For those of you who don't know, I had surgery for neurogenic thoracic outlet syndrome. You can hear that saga in my last video, which was a couple weeks ago. I had the surgery done about 2 weeks and 2 days ago. According to the surgeon, when they removed my top rib, it was more curved than normal, and that probably meant there was a lot of pressure on those nerves. And quote unquote, they looked happier when he was done. So that's good news. I still won't know for several months whether or not the surgery worked, because nerves take a long time to heal, and I'll be needing to heal from surgery as well. I'm just starting to work this week and get up and around a little bit. I took a car ride a couple days ago, which was a mistake, because they've done a lot of stuff right here in my, inside, and so when it bounces up and down, it's really, really painful. So I wanted to let you know that I'm doing better, and let me give you a little boat update. Right before surgery, it was a little crazy. Mary and I went up to the boat. I did not film, but we went up on Saturday and we replaced the gear oil in both the Outdrives, and I hooked up all the hoses just in case someone would have to put the boat in the water for me.
So I just wanted to show you how this anode under here is completely missing. I just replaced the other one on the other side and came over to do this one, and it's gone. It should have been right in there. Fell off.
So I'm feeling pretty sassy. I got all of those anodes off the bottom of the boat and have replaced them with the new. Look at me, requiring all sorts of different tools.
I'm a mess, but I'm doing real work.
I am scheduled to go splash in the water, which, I'm mentally excited about, but not physically, this coming Monday, March 30th, because we're going to put it in the water and we are going to bring it over to another marina, which is going to be doing a lot of work for us. So the bottom hasn't been painted, the outdrives haven't been painted, but that's stuff that this other marina will do when they're done with everything else, including manifolds and risers and other things. And I'll update you more about that as those things progress. So according to the schedule, I'm going in the water on Monday. I am definitely going up there. I will need help, so I'm asking a couple people to give me a hand, because I am restricted on what I'm able to do for the next several months by the doctor. So let's sneak inside. I'll just share a little bit about my world. Because of the pain that I've experienced in my neck and my shoulder and both arms, I have been sleeping here. So this is basically where I have been sleeping for the last year and a half or so. Got this chair. It is in the corner of our bedroom. There's a little bit of a nautical theme that Mary has here. Unwind, refresh. So I have my light, I got my iPad stand, I got a place to put my stuff, little stool there, and my outlets. There's the iPad stand fully put out. This thing has been great, but one day I hope to get back to the bed. These are all the medications that I've been on and trying to heal. So enough talk about medical stuff. Let's get our boats back on the water. Now, even though mine's going in on Monday, it's probably going to be several weeks, hopefully not longer than a month, before we're able to get her going. When are you going in the water? Why don't you put that in the comments so we can all celebrate that fact. And as soon as I get back up to the boat, I will get another video out. For now, One of the things I've had done to the boat in the meantime is professionally detailing it by Jody, who did a great job for me a couple years ago. Let me show you some of the pictures right now so you can see how she's looking. The topside picture definitely reminds me that we need to get back at replacing our sun pad, which blew away last year. One of the many travails we had. So it's good to be back with you a little bit. Good to hopefully get this video out today. And thanks for all your thoughts and all your prayers for me. And I hope this does result in a positive outcome recovery-wise. It would be great to be able to do some things that I haven't been able to do for a long time. In the meantime, yeah, let me know how you guys are doing. Take care.